Katuk ani kenta hadian ka Jingtei ka Green Tech Foundation hakamat ka kherdop ka Secretariat ban penlong ya ka jingaki bandawa na ka sarkar jela ban pendu no ya ka jingtmu ban sna ya ka Jingtei hadaulan nong Lumpongdeng na kalyang ukonrat kisang ma umentri rang ba ka jela ulam mi shikmat ban ai ka jingpensyai Halor kani ka mat lingba kerensan social media jong u kata na ka CMO Meghalaya. Haba pensyai umentri rang ba ka jela uloong bahaka saskular ka balay soy hapreng ka sarkar jela bat ka tanah tourism kala pensyai bagi Jingtei hauteu daulan nong kindai tang ki basipor bat ka jingong bante ye ki Jingtei basirta ka long ka Bakla. Nalor ta uloong bagi Jingtei kinom ya pher na ki eki ba ka sarkar ka le kumba ka le hanan palok bat ban ong baki la bandan ki brio ki ba persang ban Ïalam Bakla.
Dear friends, there have been some concerns that have been raised in the public regarding the Lumpongdeng island. I would like to take this opportunity to clarify to everyone that in the agreement that has been signed, the government and the tourism department has made it very, very clear that there will be no permanent construction that can take place in the island. So therefore, the concerns that are there that the entire island will be made into a concrete setup is completely wrong. Government has made it clear in the agreement that no permanent structure is going to be allowed in the island. But in order to ensure that we're able to take advantage of the location, temporary structures, shamiranas, pandals, and temporary stalls, which are going to be dismantled once the program is over, like we do in Watts Lake. These kind of structures will be allowed, which will be barely there for a week, 10 days, and then removed again. And hence, there will be no impact of any sort on the island or on the overall flora and fauna in that location. And hence, I would like to clarify this and inform everybody that there is no major need to be concerned. There could be some individuals who might try to mislead that there have been some consent to operate and establish permissions being given. That is as per the Forest Department's permissions, which means that Forest Department has said that in case the permission has to be given, it can be given as per the Forest Department in certain sections. But to take that also into consideration, we have ensured that no construction will be allowed. And hence, even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction, permanent construction, will be allowed in that particular island. So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed.
Haba tien, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam duna ki eki batte ye kamet. Namar kata haba thiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.